So we're doing another Algonquin trip. This year we're doing a 3-night trip, which is the longest I've ever gone in Algonquin, and we're moving sites every night, so that'll be cool. Heading up on Canoe Lake here. Going to be going to Tom Thomson Lake first, and then tomorrow heading over to Sunbeam Lake, and then portaging over to Burnt Island Lake, and then heading back to Canoe Lake on the 4th day. So it'd be great having a trip where we're actually moving sites every time instead of just setting up shop. So that'll be cool. So let's get ready to hit the water. I got a new pack this year too. It's like a portage pack, which I think will be really cool. It's just basically a big giant dry bag you just strap on your back. So that'll be cool. I don't have to worry about getting anything wet. So this is the route we're on here. I don't know if you can see Canoe Lake, starting at access point 5 here, portage store. We're gonna come up here, come up around the outside of Canoe Lake, through, right up there. There's the only portage. There's only a 260 millimeter portage, and then eventually up to Tom Thomson Lake up there. It's just always that initial getting into canoe for the first time in a year.
Yeah.
It always.
At least we're not getting on with a bunch of wake happening.
Yeah. Yet.
Right?
Yet.
What side are you on, Hunter?
Your turn here.
We're
What are you doing?
Dan, what are we doing?
Okay, hold on.
Good start. Almost ran into some boats. We'll just do a little U-turn here and start over.
Warming up, bro. Warming up.
We're not doing very good at going straight, are we?
No, we're not doing very good.
So we're going up to check out the Tom Thomson cairn here on Canoe Lake. So yeah, we'll go check it out. It's a little bit of a hike up here. It's a big sort of, what's the word? Oh, there it is up there. You can see it. Up there.
Yeah, like actual lawn chairs.
Quite the little path to get up here. There it is there. That's cool. So we just took a little detour and stopped by the Tom Thomson cairn. That was kind of cool. Now we're just paddling our way up to the portage. They'll take us into Joe Lake, I believe, or Little Joe Lake, and then make our way up to Sunbeam. If we can just manage to canoe straight. We're a little bit zigzaggy so far, but we're getting there. So this is the only portage today, and it's only 295 meters. So it should be pretty easy. Yeah, I like that pack. It sits lower on my back,
Yeah.
which I like, instead of it up high and sort of top heavy. All right. You ready to
Take yours now.
are you ready?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was that bad.
Hold on, maybe I can put it.
It's okay, we'll just keep on going. Morning. Hey.
Morning. Let's go to the left a little bit. It's so weird seeing cars go over top of there.
So strange.
So we're going into Little Joe Lake now, or Joe Lake, I don't know, something like that. That's funny, somebody stuck a sticker on there.
Oh my God.
Just taking a look at the old map here. So where are we here? Tom Thomson, East Arm. Oh, here we are down here. So we just went past there. So we're in Joe Lake now. So then we're gonna go back up over here and stop in TP Lake area. So it'll be the 4th campsite on the left-hand side is where we're stopping for lunch.
Okay.
But it still should be a little ways up here.
Why are you such a jerk?
Yeah. Perfect.
That's why we rent.
Yep.
Pretty sweet shoes you got.
Yeah. Amazon specials.
They feel good on the trail.
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty grippy.
Yeah. I'm gonna test out new food while I was out here.
So we're just stopped for lunch at TP Lake. It's been pretty good. I broke my collarbone earlier in the year, so I was worried about it paddling, but so far Carl, the collarbone, has been all right. So we're heading over to the Ox Tongue River and then to Tom Thomson for the setup camp for tonight. A nice little lunch break. You cracking a beer?
You know it.
All right, well, hold your horses.
Step 1 where I come from.
Step 1.
This is step 1. Cheers to day 1 of another successful trip so far.
Cheers, you guys.
I'll do this.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
You're so good when you come into the woods.
All right, where are we gonna set up here?
Completely different.
So I'm thinking of setting up right over here somewhere and have a nice view of the lake first thing in the morning when I get up. All right, so this is the tent I got here this year on Amazon. It's the nature hike tent. It's a 1-person. Originally got it for doing some bike packing, but obviously that didn't happen this year. So we get this set up. I won't stake anything down until I know exactly where I want it to be. I think that's pretty flat.
Yep. Hey, Hunter. Yeah, you gotta go. Hunter.
So that's the frame there, and then I just clip everything onto it. And this just clips on like so. And there we go. Should be good. I'm gonna use this mat in there and then an air mattress on top of it. Try this out first. Got this cool fan light. a fan and a light. It's cool. I'll just hang this in here. Get some cigars for later. Alright, so we got the air mattress in there now. So with the air mattress and the yoga pad, that should hopefully be decent. Some all for the cheap Amazon gear. There's a blow up pillow, but it's nice and soft-ish. And it's got a strap that'll hold it in place. There we go. Sleeping bag, it's good down to 6 degrees, so it says, but I also have a quilt here. Should be good. Just a cheap ass synthetic sleeping bag. This is what makes it all worth it out here. This will be the view I wake up to in the morning with my tent just being right back there. So that'll be nice. This is Tom Thomson Lake, and tomorrow we're just going to head down around here on our way to Sunbeam. But it's a beautiful night here tonight. Probably about 20 degrees Celsius out right now. Just perfect weather. Should be perfect weather for tonight. I think tomorrow there might be a little bit of rain tomorrow and Tuesday, and then Wednesday on the way back it might be a real mess, but we'll see. These are the new water shoes I got. Actually, my girlfriend got them for me. They've been great so far. Amazon specials. I'm all about Amazon. Most of my camping gear is from Amazon. It was a pretty good night here. Slept okay. The tent worked well. It was a little tighter than I'm used to, but it did well. Air mattress was good. The yoga mat, fairly comfortable. Yeah, it was good. Good night's sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna hit in the water shortly, heading to Sunbeam Lake. Show you kind of on the map where we're going today. We were camped Tom Thomson Lake last night, just that site right there. And today we're gonna head into Bartlett Lake, portage here to Willow Lake, a little portage into this lake. Maybe this is Willow Lake here. And then another portage there into Astor Pond, and then into Sunbeam Lake. is where we're heading today. So we've pretty much got all packed up, and we'll be hitting the water shortly.
Which, like, if I was to be in a rock bed,
Yeah. Do you see that on the sign? So it says we're going 470 meters into Bartlett Lake to pond, whatever.
Yeah, it's just a pond. It's not even the name.
Add 800 meters if low water.
Oh, yeah.
water.
Let's hope
That's
it's.
the one they're talking about then, Aaron.
Let's hope this isn't.
It says 470 meters to Bartlett. Add 800 meters if low water.
Got the easy job on the portage. Dan's doing the hard work. I do have the broken collarbone. Carl, I like to call him. Been kind of a pain in the ass this last little bit of my life, so I wasn't even sure I was going to be able to do this trip. I was worried about a backpack pressure on my shoulder, but doesn't seem too bad so far. I don't think I could do a canoe like that though. Hopefully the water levels are high enough on the other side, or we don't have to portage another 800 meters. All right, let's pay attention to these rocks and get over there. You know, you're gonna go to your right.
Yeah.
How'd that feel?
Oh,
Was that tough?
Danimal.
That was good.
He's a Danimal for sure.
He is the Danimal.
Shit.
You know when you're selling it, it's fucking hard.
Yeah. So this is what we have to
That's a good little workout.
paddle through. I think it goes that way, and then you think it's right over there, dead straight ahead.
I think so.
Yeah, because this is really short. It doesn't even have a name.
This is everyone calls this Cooey Pond, right?
Yeah, it just says pond on the sign.
On YouTube,
on the portage.
I think. Pond. Yeah, Cooey you don't even get a name.
You don't deserve a name.
You're not even good at ponding.
Cooey
Yeah.
Pond.
Yeah.
Bro?
Yeah. This is gonna be slow going, boys. Pretty much dredging through. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for anybody watching this video, this is what they call pond. It doesn't even have a name because it's so like this. We're paddling. Would you call this paddling or pushing? Pushing through. It's super shallow. We're kind of sliding along. Yeah, look at this. We're just in muck.
Yeah, we can't even get a run at it. So I'll go to the front of it. And let's try and get as close as we can. Nice job.
Whew, that was a workout.
Mm-hmm. You're making a good trail for the next people for the weekend.
Yeah, hopefully it levels out for them too by the time they get here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna push this here. 1, 2. No, hold on. Oh. And do it again. So,
Ah, shit.
I'm gonna, right, if you guys can push off, I'll use this to balance. Okay, I can't go any more forward, guys. You're throwing us up on a rock. Oh, okay.
That looks freaking like a movie set.
Yeah.
This way.
Should we do this? Then we only got one portage left, and then we're. when you
So
guys
we
want to
should
break for lunch?
be somewhere by around 3.
Are you guys going to want to break for lunch?
Then woke up, my nose felt like it's gonna have icicles on it. If I can put that around, it'd be great.
Where are we going here?
I think we're going this way somewhere. Oh, here comes a dirt. We're going right into a dirt pile.
Oh shit. Alright.
I was kind of trying to go that way, so we'll just go this way.
Alright.
We can go around it. And swing the ass over. Floating dirt or something.
Yeah, it's weird, huh?
Yeah. It's in the water.
It's weird. Alright.
Good.
So this is our last portage of the day into Sunbeam Lake. It's also our biggest, 670 meters. But yeah, let's get it done and then we can relax, set up camp, get some food. So just making the last portage now. Of course, Dan being, he's earned his nickname, the Danimal. This trip for sure, taking the canoe in his pack. I'm just stuck with some oars. So I got a lonely hand over here and a lonely thumb. Careful.
Probably right here.
Yeah, sure. So this is the site on Sunbeam Lake. It's not a great site, but it'll do for one night. Fire pit over there. Thunderbox back in there. Not very well hidden, which isn't great.
I don't think we're going to need it tonight, but I'm bringing the tarp down just in case.
So good morning, this is day 3. Probably look like crap, didn't sleep very well. Didn't listen. Super windy out all night, rained a bit. It's gonna be more of that today, so gonna get up soon and see what the plan is for today. Yesterday got into camp and it was a long day, hard day yesterday, so kind of got into camp and just wanted to, you know, get set up and eat, so didn't do much filming. Got a little over ambitious, thinking I was starving and ate too much, but that's what you do sometimes. Anyways, let's get day 3 on the go. It's kind of a gray crap day so far. So I think the plan is to get all of our stuff packed up. Just in case it does start to rain, it'll all be packed up. Then have some breakfast. So gonna start packing this mess up. What are we portaging into here? Sunbeam into T-Frog. 390 meters. Looks like there must have been like a tornado or something knocked these trees down and they just cut them.
I think that.
Yeah, wow, look at all that. This section got mangled by a windstorm or something.
Well, like I said, there was tornadoes coming through up here last weekend.
Was it last weekend?
Yeah.
Shit, that's a lot of work they did in a week.
Yeah.
All right, well, so just doing the portage. Dan, of course, is doing the hard work for me. Collarbone's feeling pretty good for day 3 of this. Feeling a little off this morning though. I don't know, a little or a little unorganized to start the morning. I think the weather has gotten in my head a little bit and what might be lying ahead of us today. Anyways, positive thoughts and keep moving forward.
Freaking storybook.
Want to come in? Yeah, we'll just come straight in. Just hold on.
This is a nice spot.
Jeez. You
Okay,
just
all
jump out of the canoe before I'm ready. All right.
Put a leg out to get sturdy.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Yeah. So this is another portage into an unmarked pond. So last time we dealt with an unmarked pond, it was that shit muddy
Yes.
slalom.
Yes, it was.
So let's
That
hope,
was very, very hard.
let's hope it's not one of those again. We got a nice little break in the weather right now. Sun's out. Might be short-lived, but I'll take it.
Yeah.
Doesn't go up there, does it? So this is the portage into J Lake. Somebody wrote on here, on the sign, saying this is torture.
Fuck. Oh, it's up this way then.
Oh shit.
I can do it.
Holy shit. How do you know it's up that way?
I can see it. Okay.
Holy.
So
That's
500 meters. How-
somebody's written, this is torture.
Alright, motherfuckers.
Look at that.
He's a fucking beast.
Like the video does no justice to what he's doing right here. Alright, so pretty much got this one done. Dan's been a beast, of course. I don't know what I'd do without him out here. Good job.
Good, eh?
So I never showed you guys what we're doing today. We're kind of packed up and got the hell out of there. So we were on Sunbeam Lake last night. So we've done this portage, this one, and this last one for 480. So now we're heading over to J Lake right there. Should go straight across 550 our next portage, and then we're into Burnt Island Lake. This is where we're gonna be camping our last night. We're hoping to get a site down close, down around here somewhere, because then tomorrow we're gonna be heading back down this way home. So that's the plan. We're about 2/3 of the way there, hopefully. Although Burnt Island's a big lake, and it's gonna take some effort with this wind today to paddle around it. This is it. This is the last portage into Burnt Island Lake.
About 2.5 kilometers today.
You switch sides?
Huh?
Yeah. Just trying to keep us going straight into the waves.
Yeah, that's good. We go a lot better that way.
Yeah. Yeah, fuck, it looks choppy out there. Fuck. Oh, big wave time.
Okay, we should get closer there.
Yeah, I'm trying. Keep on that side.
Okay. Whoa, these are some good ones.
Yeah. I'd like to get closer to shore, but I don't want to get,
Yeah, pushed into it.
yeah.
So what side do you want me on?
Just stay on this right side right now. Oh. Holy shit. Turn, yeah, let's turn, paddle hard that way. Shit. All right, now. Me. Fuck me.
Fucking crazy, bro.
It is not fun, man. Let's just keep fucking going. I just want to get the hell out of here. Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh wow, that was, I was hoping to get in further than that, but
So hold on. You don't have to get out yet. If you want. You good?
I'm getting out.
Okay.
Ugh. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. This is kind of cool here. We found this behind our campsite here on Burnt Island. If anybody knows what this is from. Looks like there used to be a cabin here maybe, and it's an old fireplace. That's cool. This is on Burnt Island Lake. That was a crazy paddling. That's the craziest, roughest water I've ever paddled on, and that was crazy. And I don't think I loved it. It was tough. Like white cap waves. I've never canoed on anything like that before. So glad we found a campsite for the night. It's gonna rain tonight, so we'll set up some tarps and get set up and hopefully be dry. So this is some more crazy ruins on this campsite. There's another one up there. Yeah, there's another one here. Yeah, so it must have been something, old cabins or something back here. There's another one in the woods there. You can see it. It's cool. It's cool finding old stuff like this. Yet another one. So I found 4 of these chimneys so far, just near this campsite on Burnt Island Lake. See, this had a gas line in it, maybe, I don't know. This is odd. It's like a desk or something, or sink. It looks like an old sink or stove, maybe. Looks like there's probably more down there. Yeah, there's something in the woods over there, kind of crushed up, but I I gotta set up the rest of camp. That's definitely cool finds out here on our campsite. A little bit of a reward after some brutal paddling. I feel like I deserve a paddling badge or something after today. That was a crash course in paddling. I've never experienced waves like that before. It was harrowing, to say the least. So the rain has started. I'll hunker down under a tarp. Hopefully stay reasonably dry. So this is day 4 of the trip. As you can see, it is nasty out. It's been raining all night. Everything is soaking wet. As you can see, soaking wet. It was a wet night, and it's continuing to just pour out. So it's gonna be fun packing up in the rain, but yeah, gonna get packed up and then head home. We got a long canoe ride through this crap weather. That's going to be fun. Probably won't film much, so we'll probably just see you when we're done. So made it back, finally. It was a mess out there today. Super wet and windy and gross. That was quite an adventure. Weather the last 2 days was not ideal, but hope you liked the video. Yeah, it was a fun trip overall, but yeah, today I'm just can't wait to get changed and get some warmer clothes on. Till next